We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
This novel, Lupinus, 鲁冰花, is Zhong Zhaozhen's most accessible and well-known novel. It deals with the need for reform of the education system through the story of a child artist who has his originality and liveliness wrested out of him by the stifling expectations of a traditional education. The book starts with descriptions of his unique vision of the world through his drawings. When eventually his genius is acknowledged, it is after his premature death. When his sister accepts a prize on his behalf after his death, the speech she makes is, unintentionally, a bitterly ironic indictment of the system which refused to recognize the unique spirit of her brother's creativity. This tragic novel made an impact on the debate for educational reform in Taiwan due to the wide audience it gained from ordinary readers. Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hey, Joseph Ling. And Alice, today we want to teach people about this because, I take the public transportation from time to time, the bus, the MRT. And when you do, and you see like senior citizens or pregnant women or children that get on the bus, you should, yield your seat to them. 我们坐车的时候要让位给一些人啊，比如老人家，还有孕妇，还有小孩子。我们来教教看怎么说好了。
好，我们先教坐车子要让位。
对，坐车要让位。
坐茶，
坐茶要坐茶啦。不要坐茶，我要坐车了。坐
车啊，茶不就是车子啊？
茶也是车子。OK， 刚才泡的呀。坐茶。
按用 V。
按用 V。要让位。
对，坐车子要让位。
坐茶。坐茶。按用 V。Okay, that means when you take, a vehicle, you should yield your seat to, and let's teach 3 different groups of people. 老人家, senior citizens.
老人家, 老人家.
老人家, that's senior citizen. How about little kids? 小孩子.
成人.
成人. 小人的意思吗？
不要讲人家小人啦，小孩啦。成人。
成人就是小孩子。Okay, that's little kids. And how about pregnant women? 孕妇。
有身孕嘅人。
是有身孕的人的意思。有身孕嘅人。有身孕嘅人。It means, a woman with a baby.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a pregnant woman, of course. So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
是母太家。
俺子 say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.